Namaste friends. Hope you are alright by the grace of Almighty. Today we'll talk about pyelonephritis. What is pyelonephritis? It is infection at the upper part of kidney. Pain in the back near the kidneys, fever, burning, urination and weakness. This may be sign of serious kidney infection called pyelonephritis. If untreated, this condition causes damage to the kidney permanently. Its causes, signs, symptoms and pathophysiology we will study, and the best homeopathic medicine for natural support and recovery. Pyelonephritis is an infection and inflammation of the kidney and renal pelvis, the upper part of the urinary tract. It usually occurs when bacteria travels upwards from the bladder into one or both kidneys. The common causes of pyelonephritis: urinary tract infection (UTI), kidney stone, blocking urine flow, enlarged prostate in men, diabetes mellitus, poor immunity, and catheter use. Vesicular reflux, backward flow of urine, pregnancy, poor hygiene. The common important cause are bacteria Escherichia coli, E. coli. Kidney inflammation and bacterial infection is a crucial problem. In pyelonephritis, bacteria enters the urinary tract and ascends from the bladder to the kidney. The infection causes inflammation of the kidney tissues and renal pelvis. If severe or recurrent, the infection may cause kidney scarring, reduced kidney function, high blood pressure, or even the kidney failure. The symptoms are high fever with chills, pain in the back or sides near the kidney. Urine is burning, frequent urge to urine, cloudy or foul smelling in the urine. Sometimes the blood comes from the urine. Nausea and vomiting is also present. Weakness and fatigue. Sorry. So some tests are very important, like urine test, ultrasound, and consultation with doctors. Urine routine examination, urine culture, urine RFT, ultrasound or CT scan to detect the stones or obstruction. The top rank homeopathic medicines. Number 1 is Cantharis, severe burning before, during and after urination. Constant urge to pass urine. Second medicine is Berberis vulgaris, stitching pain in the kidney related to bladder and thighs. Useful in kidney stones with infection. Apis mellifica, scanty urine with burning and swelling, puffy face and edema. Then one important medicine is terbinthina, kidney inflammations with blood in urine, burning and smoky urine. Then we are coming to the fifth medicine, that is sarsaparilla. Sarsaparilla is a very useful remedy for severe pain at the end of urination. Sand-like particles still in the urine. If you will keep it in the glass of water, ultimately the residue will come out in the glass. Mercor. Frequent urination with intense burning. Severe urinary infection. Then seventh medicine is very important, that is equisetum. Constant urge to urinate with bladder fullness. Dull pain in the urinary tract. Then we are coming to lycopodium. Lycopodium is right side kidney complaints. Red sand in urine and digestive troubles are present there, and the symptoms aggravate from 4 to 8 p.m. in the evening hours. Lifestyle and management. Drink plenty of water, and healthy lifestyle is most essential. Never hold urine for long periods. Maintain proper hygiene. Treat UTI in the early stage. Control diabetes and blood pressure. Avoid dehydration. Take proper diet. Kidney infection should never be ignored. Early diagnosis, proper medical care, and supportive homeopathic treatment can protect your kidney naturally. Friends, I do not hope but I believe that you will share this video to your nearest and dearest friends. Long live homeopathy, long live Honeyman.